This is the HelpNet handheld leaf blower with battery and charger, and it has the nozzle on it that's angled so you don't have to bend down. We're going to try it with some leaves and also some shop cleanup. For some specs, it's 21 volts, 600,000 RPM, 4,000 milliamp hour battery. We're going to try it. What I really wanted to try this for, this is a handheld leaf blower from Amazon with battery. And what I really want to try is my workshop. I do a lot of woodwork with wood shavings, and this is where I think it'll work. I'm not sure how well it'll work with our Midwest leaves, but we're going to try that too. All right, that works okay for wood shaving. Pretty good dust blower. I like that. The leaves around here are usually pretty big. This time of year, wet and heavy, so I don't think it'll blow the leaves, but we'll try it. I didn't really get it for blowing leaves, more for dust and that kind of stuff, but let's see what it'll do. All right, that's not too bad. You got to get down, like, it needs to have a little bit longer nozzle, maybe another 12 inches. But it actually did better than I thought it would. I'm impressed.